Photoshop has made it easier than ever to change a black and white photograph into color with the click of one button. Let's open up our computers. Recently they introduced the beta filters. If you go to the filter tab and click on neural filters, give it a second to load. Now you see here's a couple different filters that are included in this beta filter section. You can download the ones you want to try out. I've downloaded most of them to try out. There's even a wait list. You can wait for portrait generator, water long exposure, stuff like this to try out when it comes out, or that you get approved to get to try it out before the rest of the population. But anyways, back to the topic at hand. All you gotta do is click the Colorize, turn it on, and give it a second to process. Sometimes it messes up the skin tones, certain color ranges, but you can go over here to profile. There's a vast variety of different profiles you can try out: retro high contrast, retro blue brown, retro bright, etc., etc. I suggest playing around with them a little bit, and then you can shoot up or you can turn up or lower the profile strength. You can change the saturation, mess around with the colors again, the color profiles, and I suggest you try all of these. Again, it's not perfect, but it's a good, quick, way to mess around with some of your black and white images that you may want to see how they look in color. Sometimes it looks really well. Sometimes it messes it up a bit. I've noticed that with the reds sometimes is where it can mess up mostly. For those wondering, you can use this technique on old photographs from the past that you may have found in your grandparents' closet or something like that. That's kind of what it's intended for, I believe, for stuff like that, for restoring those photographs. It's just a nice trick I wanted to bring on, quick little video today, and subscribe, and I'm excited to bring you guys some more videos. If you're new to the channel, I'm a photographer. I tend to be on the road a lot. I shoot fashion primarily, but I also like to dabble in other fields of photography. Feel free to check out my work. Links below, my website, my socials, all that good stuff. And thing to note, if this neural filter section in the filters tab is not showing up to you, you have to make sure that your color profile is set to sGRB. Otherwise it won't work, or it won't show up, as it'll be in light gray and you can't use it.